As Russia's SAM system keeps on struggling in Ukraine, as a Ukrainian drone could circle around this active Tor-2M system out on a field, as both Russia's radars as well as surface-to-air missile system failed to locate and take down this Ukrainian drone, they themselves often become the target, as the Thor system relocated to another field where Russia's trenches and Dragon Teeth line are positioned. The system is claimed to be attacked by a SwitchBlade 600 Kamikaze drone. As smoke can be seen from the system, the operators seem to abandon the system after a while, and the smoke becomes more intensive, indicating an internal fire destroying everything inside. Resulting in another lost Russian SAM system, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.